Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to update your Amazon app. So if you also want to update your Amazon app, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is go to Play Store. You can see over here Play Store is opened. At bottom, you'll be able to see several options over here. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now simply tap on the search bar that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now type in Amazon. Now you'll be able to see the Amazon application over here. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll be able to see two options, uninstall and open. If your application is not updated, instead of open option, you'll be able to see the update option. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, you'll have to wait for a while. After the updating is completed, your application will be updated. You'll be able to use the updated version of the Amazon application. So that is how you update your Amazon app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.